Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are here in Las Vegas at Noovo headquarters, and we're with the owner, Paul, who's going to take us around, give us a little bit of a factory tour, how they have everything laid out. This is their brand new factory, so it's pretty exciting.
Hi everybody, I'm Paul from France. I'm the owner of and one of the co-founder of Noovo, and you are in our new beautiful 20,000 square feet warehouse. We just moved a couple of days ago, and I'm excited to show you how it's going to work. So hey guys, as I told you, you are in our new warehouse, 20,000 square feet warehouse. Basically now we are able to have a 10-step production line, and I'm in front of the first one. The first production, the first step of the production line is where we do the opening for the window, roof fan and AC, and then we do the water leaks. This step is very important because this is where we put all the framing of the company. So if it's not well done here, we're gonna have issue along the line. So on this very first step, this is where we have all the wiring, all the openings, and all the insulation. We are using only ecological insulation. This is a Havelock wool. And after this step is ready, we move to the second step, that is for the electricians, for me. I'm not working on the floor. The second step is very important too, because one of the important feature of our vans are the electrical component we have and all the electrical possibilities of our vans. We want our customer to be totally off the grid, so you can go up to 1300 amp hours batteries. On this one you can see that all the cables have been installed. The electrical box here is installed too and is wired. We mount the electrical box outside of the van, so with the inverter, with the MPPT solar controller and the battery, and then we connect everything. Our vans are made in order for you to be able to park somewhere and then think about the electricity. We like to say that when you are in the van, you are in Versailles, like in France, and you can turn on all the light and leave it on all the time. Once all the electrical box is mounted and connected, we go to step 3. That's going to be over there. Follow me. One of the good things also in this new warehouse is that we now have the space to have space in between vans, so that let all the employees working carefully and not having any risk of damaging the van, but also for them to have more space and having more more space to develop and build all the cabinets. In the step 3 here, we built the 2 boxes on the back, electrical box, water box with the 40 gallons fresh water, and then we start putting all the cabinets. I will show you then, but all our cabinets are built in-house in our lab, so we can control all the line of production from A to Z. Follow me on the side of the van. At this stage, most of the cabinets have been installed. This one's going to be a Noovo pop with the pop top tent, and the last step of this one is going to be to install the kitchen and the shower. The shower is a very, very important feature in our van, because most of our customers are half for full-time living. They want to have bathroom, they want to have a good shower, and not like a shower that is like a little one. They want to have a nice one they're going to use every day. So on the step 2, this is where we put half of the cabinets, and then we move to step 3, sorry, half of the cabinet, and then we move to step 4. On this one, for example, we just installed the pop-top tent. So the pop-top tent and the seats is one of the vans that we have for families that can sleep and drive 4 persons. So you have a double seat with a 3-point seat belt. This is like beginning of step 4, where we will like adding the kitchen, as I told you before, and the shower will be built. Then on the step after that, we will have our new super high roof that I'm going to show you, that we're working on, and you will see it's a totally different design. So let's follow me on the step 5. So this one is the Novo Plus, so the very first 7-foot van tall. We have a very totally different and innovative design where we have a big U sofa. You can see all our electrical and water box and electrical box on the side. Everything is inside, and so the idea is that we want you to have access to all the components very easily. And one of the big advantages of this van, of course, is the height. It's the first time you can jump in a van, even if you're like 6'2" like myself, and you have a big shower too. I want to show you then, just behind us, we'll have like the lab, and that's something I want to show you. But this one is one of the cabinets we built here. Everything is built in-house. Once it's totally built and quality controlled, the guys take it and put it inside the van. Our lab is here. So basically the size of the lab today in this warehouse was the size of our warehouse. So now we have way more space. You can see that we have all the cabinets that are pre-cutted with a CNC machine and then assembled here. All our employees in the lab are experienced cabinet makers, so they are really focusing on the quality of each cabinet, and each cabinet that are built are going to be reviewed by 3 different quality control. We want to be sure that there is everything well done on the dimensions, but also on the finishes, and a third check just to be sure that we won't have to remove it and put it back. Once everything is mounted here, each cabinet has a name of a customer. We want the employees to really know that it's not like a random cabinet. This cabinet is going to go in a van for one specific customer, and so they can make it more human. They are not building in a row. They are building a cabinet for Brian, for Neil, for Britt. They are building this cabinet for a specific customer. And so this is where the magic happens. This is our lab. The idea is that we want to increase the production capacity, and that's part of it. Like if we can build more cabinets, then we can accelerate the production. And then we go to the last steps. We have the finished van here. This one's going to leave next week. These 3 last steps going to be mainly quality control, finishes, and then it's going to be cleaned and put it outside, park on the back of the warehouse. That's it for the warehouse tour. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to come and check out by yourself, you're more than welcome. We do in-visits if you want to check out how we are working in Noovo, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you, guys.
So we hope you all enjoyed that tour of the Noovo factory. It is quite spectacular what they're doing. The high quality materials, the best components you can get, you can't beat it. As you can see, we are no longer in Las Vegas. We are up in Montana, but we just want to thank the team at Noovo for having us. It was such a fun time filming all the different vans, the factory, getting to meet the whole team. We really enjoyed ourselves. So if you have any questions for the team at Noovo or for us, drop it in the comments. We'll make sure to relay those questions to them. If we can't answer them, hopefully we can. As you can see, we have a little surprise behind us of our own, but that'll be in another video.
So remember to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel and coming along with us on all our adventures. We will see you guys in the next video.
See you guys next time.
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know.